Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anoop Cherian. I'm a Senior Principal Research Scientist at Mitsubishi Electric Research Labs. And together with my colleagues, Kwanchuan Peng, Suhas Lohit, and Tim Marks from MERL, Honglu Zhu and Lei Zhu from Salesforce AI Research, Kevin Smith and Josh Tenenbaum from MIT, I invite you all to the Multimodal Algorithmic Reasoning Workshop at CVPR 2025. So what is algorithmic reasoning? It is a relatively new area of machine learning where the goal is to build neural networks that emulate classical algorithms. In this workshop, we give it a different spin and consider algorithmic reasoning in a much broader sense towards agents having skills or abilities to derive algorithms for solving multimodal common sense problems. We stumbled upon this burgeoning research problem about 2 years ago when we came across a bunch of puzzles from a second grader math Olympiad, which formed the basis of our Smart 101 dataset published in CVPR 2023. Some examples of problems from the dataset are given here. Apparently, a second grader can solve these puzzles with ease. However, the performance of VLMs on these in 2023 was not more than random guess. So we continued exploring this side of things, as in like VLM diagnosis in 2024 with the latest VLMs, including OpenAI models, and found that modern VLMs also suffer. And we also found that models apparently solve better in higher grader math problems compared to lower grader ones, which was surprising and which we believe shows some sort of dataset bias that these models have, and they are not really doing any real, genuine, reasoning as such, is what we believe. Thus came our motivation for our workshop on multimodal algorithmic reasoning, where we hope to bring together and explore approaches to making progress in solving problems that need broad skills, including algorithmic reasoning skills for solving multimodal and common sense reasoning problems. Some examples of such problems are like vision and language mathematical reasoning, combining foundation models for analysis, synthesis, and planning, visual programming, causal chains for video understanding, multimodal physical understanding, etc. In this context, the goal of this workshop is to analyze the recent progress in AI, or rather artificial general intelligence, in solving multimodal problems and understand this progress from the perspectives of machine learning theory and principles, large multimodal architectures, and cognitive models of intelligence, with the goal of gauging what we have achieved thus far and what is missing towards advancing AI to the next frontier. Our workshop today has four keynotes from four outstanding speakers. Each keynote is about 30 minutes long, including Q&A. We also have 2 spotlight sessions and a poster session presenting 19 papers accepted to our workshop. Before we move on, I would like to provide my sincere thanks for all the program committee members who did an exceptional job in reviewing the papers at short notice. The papers are submitted to our workshop and providing high quality feedback to the authors. Without further ado, let's move on to the first keynote speaker of today. It is with extreme pleasure that I welcome Dr. Cordelia Schmidt for today's opening keynote. Cordelia was my postdoc advisor about 10 years ago at INRIA. Cordelia is a research director at INRIA as well as a researcher with Google DeepMind. She is a world-leading pioneer in computer vision with several outstanding contributions in areas of image retrieval, object recognition, video understanding, etc. In 2006, 2014, and 2016, she was awarded the Longuet-Higgins Prize for fundamental contributions in computer vision that have withstood the test of time, among many, many other awards. She's a fellow of IEEE and was named the SEM Athena Lecturer in 2025 that celebrates women researchers who have made fundamental contributions to computer science. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Cordelia Schmidt to deliver today's keynote on her recent research on multi-stage reasoning for video understanding and scene generation. Thank you.